like this.
Oh, two finger.
Yeah, two finger.
Don't tell.
And then, please.
Yes.
Then,
Show me.
yeah. And you can apply like this. Like this. And
For putting that plant.
It teaches you life also, because our life is like a tree. Like you can see that how it is growing, and we can feel that how we are growing.
You don't know how to apply only things. I know how to apply.
All right, everybody. Assalamu alaikum. Namaste, namaskar, sat sri akal. Kem cho? Majama? Well, everybody, I welcome you all in this demonstration of the day today. Well, today is the day of your presentation, how you have to sell the product. You have to be on the stage and tell the quality of your product so that we could buy your products. You know what? Somebody truly said that if your product is good, but if you don't know how to represent that, you cannot sell it. But if your product is not good, but the way you're representing, the way you are, telling people, the way you're demonstrating, you can sell anything. You can sell basi khana as well, if you know exactly. You can sell your basi khana as well if you know how to demonstrate, if you know how to sell that with the quality. So what you're gonna sell, that doesn't matter. आप सोचो मेरा प्रोडक्ट यार सही नहीं है, अच्छा चुनना चाहिए था, मैं बोल नहीं पाऊंगा. ना. Product doesn't matter. How beautifully you are conveying your message, how beautifully you are dancing with that product, how beautifully you are enjoying and of course exhilarating you, that matters. So ladies and gentlemen, I would like to invite the first demonstrators of the day. Do you know who she is or he is? Of course, ladies first. Right? Yes. So who should I call? Anyone? Let's welcome Miss Rosani. के पीछे निहारिका.
बंजर धरती करे पुकार.
पेड़ लगाकर करो श्रृंगार.
Good evening, everyone.
Hello everyone.
So we are coming from the company of Sukoon,
She is founder of Sukoon company, Miss Chabili.
and she is co-founder of my company. She is Miss Chameli.
First, I want to thank Mr. Kef sir, who is the owner of this beautiful institute, and he has given me this opportunity to sell this product. And this is not only a product, this is a piece.
And we are not coming for here for advertisement of this product. We are aware what is the need of in this plant in our life.
Now all of you are thinking which kind of piece. Like if you get a breakup, दर्द जिगर दिल में चुराया आपने. Like if you got breakup and if you are wake up early in the morning, then this will give you a peace.
And you imagine when you come at home and if your all the things, like some product is there and you feel very frustrated, but you see all the things is very suitable. So how can you feel? You can imagine.
Now, like Kef sir putting this tree everywhere. You can see in office, in this area, everywhere. And this is scientifically proven that this tree gives a lot of positive vibration, and this is proven by Vastu Shastra also.
And it's a beautiful product. It's not a necessary you can love only person. It's learn you, it teach you that you should learn of the earth, because it is your responsibility. Nowadays we are think all the things is very polluted, but it is your responsibility to maintain this earth, beautiful earth.
Now I can give you an example. This is an artificial plant and this is a natural plant. And the beauty of this plant is that it is outdoor and indoor also. And it has a very minimal maintenance. Like you don't have to watering daily this plant, and this is an artificial plant. Like if you see this plant, you don't feel happy all the time. But if this is a greenery, like this is a natural greenery, but if you see this greenery, then this gives you a peace from inside. And I have a one point also, like for the students, we are living from outside, from our home. We don't have a big rooms. We don't have outdoor places. So this plant we can keep in our rooms. Like this gives you a positive energy. For the life, the positive energy is very necessary.
And you can learn this plant. If you see this plant, if you see today, it is same. And if you see tomorrow, it is same. But if you see that product, it will be grow. And you get the positive motivation that if that plant will be grow in our life, you should also grow in our life. And you can see it is no more place for putting it. You can put here. It is very less place for putting that plant.
It teaches you life also, because our life is like a tree. Like you can see that how this plant is growing, and we can feel that how we are growing. We can learn from this plant. This is not only a plant. This is the energy. This is something about life. I think what we are, that doesn't matter, but our life matters.
And now you are excited to know what is the price this plant. Don't worry, this is not a more price.
This is only in 690 rupees. And I have one more exciting idea, all of you. Like if you have birthday, then you are thinking, what can I do? Put some fairy lights, then click the fairy lights, and the plant will give you a smile on your face. Like if you can do like this, and you can cut your cake, this will give you a lot of smile in your face. Like if you can go to the restaurant, there will be materialistic things, but this is not materialistic. This is not a materialism. This is something about our life, about our smile, about our energy. And our life is all about energy, peace, and I believe that this tree will give you a lot of peace and positive energy in your life.
And there is no need to think buy this product where we are going. Why? If I want to this product, from where we can purchase. Don't worry. You can take to everywhere. You can take in Flipkart, Amazon, even any shop. But you have to say the company name. You can get easily.
The price is very less, and it is only in 690 rupees.
So it up to you.
It is
what
all
you
about
want.
our product.
You want to peace in your life, so hurry up.
If every tree has energy, and if this is not energy, but it is not given to us
But
fruits,
this
only
is
energy. But every trees are energy in Vastu Shastra, not this tree.
but
Okay.
every tree you can't put up in your own room.
Like if you have a small room, then you can put this in your room.
If it got dry, like, is there any guarantee warranty?
No, it will not get dry. If
Guarantee.
it is getting pale like from here, then you can keep it in sunlight for 10 to 15 minutes. It will not get dry. Yeah, it's our guarantee.
Okay. Is there any nutrition powder I have to use for?
No, there is no need of.
Every day we have to have on sunlight. Yeah.
No, it is not a requirement. No.
Per week, you have to just
Per
keep.
week.
Yes.
This is also artificial.
This is
No,
not
sir,
a-
this is not, sir. This is not, sir. No, sir, it is,
This is not
sir, it is getting dry. It is getting dry. Sir,
Yeah, you can see.
Sir, this is
Let me
a,
pluck it.
no, sir, it's
It is
not.
not
No,
plucking.
no,
It is
sir,
not a
no,
plugging
sir.
like that.
Oh my God.
No, sir. Sir, it's getting, it has a smell. No, sir, I can't eat. Sir, it is.
No, it it is natural. So we can use one other plant by another product, but what your company have to have specialty and unique and solid reasons?
Because there is no need for any extra, like you have to put, it is not required of any urea and all the things, because it is the, it is the harmful for your life. So there is no need, it's need only water.
And it doesn't have any side effect for global warming also.
Ma'am, there are various companies in India. There are also various companies in India. But why we are ordered from you, from your company? We also ordered from other company.
Because this is the product that we are promoting, that something doesn't harm to global warming, environment, and it gives you a air purification.
Each company have this tree. Also they have.
Please पहले इस्तेमाल करें फिर विश्वास करें.
Hello madam, how many lifespan is it?
What is the lifespan of this tree?
It will be for 4 to 5 years with you.
But other company provide the same product with lifespan 10 to 12 years.
Like we already said that we are promoting naturality in for our environment. Then you can logically think that if you are purchasing this product in 690 rupees,
What do you want to?
then what do you want? That it will be lifelong with you.
Product is provided by the other company by giving lifespan more.
No, it's our guarantee. It's our guarantee that you.
Ma'am, pack all. How many do you have?
Sir, what is your requirement? I have a lot of
Requirement is artificial. That's it.
No, sir. Sir, what is the beauty of this?
Sir, what is
the beauty of? Sir, please tell me. What is the beauty of this artificial plant?
Beauty?
Yes. What is the beauty?
If I take photo,
So you can take photo from
Sir,
there.
Sir, please, I have a request, sir, please, put some fairy lights.
It is also learn something.
Sir, it will not teach you about life. It will teach about life also. That it.
you know what? If COVID-19 comes,
Yes.
my coaching, may God bless it. My coaching will be closed. Who will come to give water? Yes. Who will come? No one can. Right?
Sir, it will allow you for 1 or 2 months without water. Just you have to give water
But
in.
before some time you said that you have to pour water.
Sir, just for good growth, But if
we don't need any product.
but sir, this is not this is not good for our
But sir, it
environment.
not give you oxygen and all the things, but its plant give you.
Pack all. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pack all.
No,
Thank
sir,
you,
I have full trust on my product that
It is pack, no? I want
Sir, it is also very low price.
Pay money.
and one funny thing,
690 rupees.
one funny
690
thing,
rupees.
like in 90s there was every hero and heroine was dancing on the parks, like they were dancing in the trees, but nowadays the trees are very less. If you want to dance with this, you can dance with this also.
How can I climb on this?
Sir, there is no need of climbing, but you can feel. Sir,
How can I dance in trees?
sir, sorry, you can dance with this tree also, like
Just
this.
like couple dance.
No, yes sir,
Yeah, you can.
like this, and if you touch this like this has a feeling also.
It looks good only with girls.
No sir, boys,
It is
sir,
not only
please,
requirement
please
of
come,
the
please come, please. Come, you can come. Anyone can. Touch this.
No, you have to have just kind of romance with this plant.
Yeah, you can.
Hug. Then you will feel. Just softly, please, be softly, please. Be softly, please.
Wait. Okay, hug it.
Wow, what
And you wait. Now you hug it. I hate it. It is more beautiful when girl comes in here, right? Come on. So we don't want to buy. We boys are nothing.
No, sir, I can prove this.
Proof?
Israel, please. Smile.
No.
Smile.
Why will you force him to smile?
No, sir, I am just trying to convey my.
It should make him smile. Why are you making him smile?
Hug him.
Sir, he already smiled to see this plant.
No, just be soft.
Yeah, they feel better.
He's loving the product. He's loving, na?
He is also member of his company. Very nice. Thank you.
Let us invite Miss Neha. Please come on the stage.
Good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
Today, I'm here because we are the co-founder of our Foxtail company. And first of all, I would like to thank the CEO of WellTalk, Mr. Capsar, for giving us this wonderful opportunity to sell our product. I mean, not to sell our product, but yes, to give views why to buy this. Buy only this. Many things are there, all this, but buy this.
हर दिन हो सूरज के साथ, क्योंकि सर वेट आई विल ट्राई सर, आई विल ट्राई.
ये co-founder कैसे hire हो गया? देखो
ये इन्वेस्टर है सिर्फ लगता है.
नो आई विल ट्राई सर.
Okay, no problem. Go again.
चलो उधर चलो. मैं
ठीक है. It's okay.
हर दिन की शुरुआत हो सूरज के साथ, क्योंकि सुरक्षा है फॉक्सटेल के साथ.
Yes.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Nowadays, I'm getting day by day dark. Nowadays, I'm getting dark, and my skin tone has gone
Oh my
even
God.
tone. What should I do? I have to go on daytime. There is a WellTalk Institute, and my
worry,
sir
don't
is very
worry,
cruel.
yes.
He have to say come in daytime. What should I do? Please give me some solution.
This problem is not with you also, with whole people present out here. Also the Mr. Capsar also. Yes, I'm talking about this Foxtail sunscreen. This is a very extraordinary product which not only a girl but also a boy loves to apply it. Yes, I'm talking about the Foxtail, which boosts your glow by applying. You can see my face right now because I had no makeup. But yeah, it is best thing to have this product in your skincare list. As he is suffering from this problem, I would suggest you would not be suffering from this product as well. Yes.
Does it really work or
Oh
not?
my God! I can show you the live example. Wait.
Why Vivek is getting dark?
I'm
Yes, you should apply. Apply. You will see the instant result.
I'm gonna.
Sir,
It is a time-taking process. It's a time-taking process.
sir,
Give more.
sir,
Ma'am, sir, right before 1 month, I am like a tawa, but right now, black tawa, but right now I feel proud of you because of this product.
No, we want to.
sir, this contains 50 SPF, a sun's protecting factor, which protect your skin from ultraviolet rays. Also, it contains vitamin C, which is very, very, very essential for your skin tone, as many people know here. And also, it contains niacinamide, which boosts your glow, a golden glow on your face.
Ma'am, and how many time there are many sunscreen in the market, so like this how much time take
Because normal sunscreen take maximum 1 month to make your skin even from uneven skin tone. But yes, from 15 days use, you will get a visible result. As I said you, it is instant result. But yeah, it takes a bit of time to make your skin. It protects from active acne, because earlier I had so many acne on my face. When I started using of this product, I became the fan of this product because this is my favorite product. As I can show you this.
Ma'am, I don't know what is acne.
acne, which you get pimple on your face. Because your face doesn't get proper requirements like this. I told you vitamin C.
It look like girls' product, not for
No, sir, it is for all
That
skin
is a
type.
big problem with men.
Yes, why?
Men always
why your face
against
is
the
that
beauty
black?
product.
With you. One big problem.
Sir, could you explain?
This product will become acne free. And your co-founder is not acne
Why men's face are very dull, blackish and all? Because they don't apply sunscreen. As I would suggest for boys also to have this. It is not a makeup product.
I am in process, sir. I am process.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Earlier,
first give me example that I will believe.
And access, then process.
so
Yes.
this is an example. See is example.
Yes, of course.
Right. Earlier time she look like me. Earlier time she was look like
And
me.
my face was very black. I was.
Sir, I want
And her skin is very uneven
Yes,
and
in
too many people.
many girls and boys even ask.
I'm also getting.
Many people ask about my skin, that why I have such glowing skin, very hydrating, because I use this product. I'm the fan. Means when I do my skin care and I forget this product to use it, that time my skin is very incomplete. While using this, I feel very confident because applying makeup is not enough. Making your skin very good is very important. Means if you are applying it, doing makeup, that will only give for some time beauty.
Ma'am, it is the UV protection cream.
Yes.
If you use it, then like that sun given to us vitamin D.
Yes.
12 from till 12 o'clock. But if you use it, then close our pores. So how can we got the vitamin D?
No.
No need of vitamin D in your skin. I'm telling you. I'm telling you. In our school,
Vitamin D is important.
wait. I'm telling you. In our skin, there is a melanin hormones, and melanin hormones secrete when sunscreen come and sun rays touch to our skin. So melanin hormone produce, and that lead to our skin gonna dark. So it is a product. So it protect your.
It protect your skin from getting tanning.
Yeah. Do you know UV ray is too much dangerous for like UV ray lead
Burn
to
your skin.
cancerous.
And also it blemishes your face, dehydrates your face.
And it is a all in one process. Like you
Yes.
don't need to so much product. It is a.
No, wait. Actually, I have one demonstration. You know what? I have one girl here. She didn't even apply cream. And she's damn beautiful. Miss Rosni, please come here. Come. Can your cream work on her?
Rosni is.
She didn't apply cream. Come.
She has applied makeup.
No, she didn't do anything. Yes, Rosni?
Yes.
Yes, come.
Is our customer, sir. She is our customer. Because she.
I'm not using this sunscreen. I'm using other brand sunscreen.
I'm using Veltop cream, yes.
Could you explain which brand you use?
This sunscreen is very thick consistency.
Oh my God.
It gives white cast.
There is no, ma'am. There is no. See me. Where is?
This is very light gel. See, you can instantly it got melt to my skin. How can you use
It is not suitable for oily skin.
See, sir, it is suitable for all skin type. How can she say that?
You should talk to her.
It's written by your co-founder. It's not properly by the user. But
How can you say this is not of all type skin type?
Because it is very thick consistency.
My ladies, you can see here, and yes, she's very
She is using Veltop cream. Look at her.
Yeah.
You can use and And you
And
can.
Whale Talk is also product of Foxtel.
Yes, sir.
Whale Talk is collaborate with Foxtel.
Oily skin type also you can use it. Combination can also use it, and dry also. This is best for dry because it has consistency of moisturizer also. If you apply this cream, you don't need to apply the moisturizer.
If Rosni purchases, we all will purchase. If you can
Rosni ma'am already purchases so many.
Yes. She's just lying.
I will purchase if she will give discount.
Yeah, of course we'll give you a discount. You can easily buy it from.
This product is 399. If you want to
It
purchase
is very costly.
Every sunscreen is of 400.
one soap, what do you mean?
499. This is of 399. And we
I will purchase if he tell me how to use sunscreen.
Okay.
Yes, of course.
tells me,
If he tells me.
First of all, we should open like this, and we use only 2 fingers for this. We should use our 2 fingers and
You use 3 fingers.
and no 2 finger like this.
Oh, it's 2 finger.
Yeah, 2 finger.
Don't tell.
And then please. Then
Show me.
yeah, and you can apply like this, and you try, and after wait, just wait, it's gonna melt.
Sir, now you should walk like this.
Sir, this is our big problem, sir. You only against with makeup product is for only men.
It's not makeup products. It is a
You
safety part.
are
But look at him, how is he acting now?
Arey,
He has become girlish.
No, sir.
How come you say that, sir? I'm girlish. I am very. See my bicep.
Sir, it gives white cast.
Okay, wait.
Really?
Yeah.
No, sir. It is not in white.
First of all, its product is like once in use. When you use for morning time, it's work from like evening time.
If you apply this, you don't have to apply stroke cream because stroke creams provides the primer also and the moisturizer also, and this product contain both. So you don't have to apply this.
Who can apply this product?
This
All
both
people apply.
men and women both can apply it.
My grandmother is 90 years old.
Yeah, of course she can apply it.
Dadi, you wanna buy? No, ma'am, I have only one complaint and last complaint.
Yes, sir.
You know what? I got married before 1 week. My wife was so beautiful, but after 2 days when I saw, she was the most black. I think exactly.
Sir, she must have applied makeup.
So she applied this cream, guys,
No, sir.
and now I want to divorce her because she's very black.
No.
So this cream has cheated me.
First of all,
This cream has cheated
first
me.
of all, sir,
This cream has cheated
shame
me.
on you, sir. You are just.
How can you say?
You are-
बुलाओ हमारी बीवी को।
You are. Sir,
बुलाओ। She is the black. She is the most black.
So you are married with your wife for
Because
color?
of beauty.
color?
Yes, because of beauty.
It's a
I
big-
was dying for beauty.
How much beauty is just for some time?
Sir, for you for some time, but for me all time, sir. I got married with her only because of beauty,
she
sir.
must have applied. It's a fake. It is original.
I dated her 20 years.
That's why. Sir,
I spent, so much money on her. But she was looking beautiful because of this cream.
no, sir.
Example that he
If-
looking like
if-
a woman before you did.
Sir,
And
if
like
he's-
after
No,
you
he's.
did like a
Yes, you are cheaters.
If your wife use this cream, never gonna black. Your wife use some other brand. That's
But
why.
no, when she washes face, she becomes like langudia or monkey.
See, it's
Yes.
it is a very natural process, sir. It's I agree with you. It's take time, but it is a long process, and your wife gonna fare day by
Sir, if
day.
you don't trust it, you must apply it, and then I'm sure that again you will say that yes, it is the best product you had. पहले इस्तेमाल करें फिर विश्वास करें. How can you say without applying that this is false? object.
Ma'am, my wife is smart.
Sir, she must have applied makeup and then when she washed, then you have
So
seen.
she
the black-
applied this only, na?
Sir, this is sunscreen. This
Okay.
is cream. Makeup is another. Like
Right.
she,
I have knowledge about makeup.
Sir,
Yes,
how
sir.
can I have knowledge about? Am I auntie or what? Why should I have knowledge?
Sir, in future when you get married,
So I have to apply.
Your wife said, please give me some sunscreen. That time what will you do?
I will give cement.
Cement?
Any other message?
Yes. Sometimes what happen, boys get rejected because of their color. Don't mind it, but yeah, it happens. But when you apply this product, definitely a girl will be there right side you because this product will give fairness to your skin. Yes.
Right example of me.
Yes.
Wait, sir, how many times did you get rejected? Please, sir, tell me honestly.
Sir, first of all, I'm telling you, I was going for a aviation company. So that time my skin is very uneven tone and so many blackheads and pimples. But since when I started this product, my skin has very light,
Yes,
is so
very hydrated.
golden light, hydrated, and right now I'm very comfortable. Right now I'm very energetic, and that's why I'm come on this stage and energy. First of all,
Before some time he said
energy.
no need vitamin D. There is no need to take food. There is not take to.
Excuse me, sir. You gonna. You are getting.
There is
confidence. That's why I'm standing on this stage.
Oh, it means you are not, if any person is not using, it means a person is not able to stand on the stage.
No, I'm not telling like this.
Sometimes what happen, people are hesitating because of their looks that I'm not looking properly and that boldness doesn't comes. But if you, after applying this cream
That boldness, that confidence creates from their knowledge. That's not.
Yes,
outer
of
beauty
course, I
cannot
agree.
create the confidence.
But sometimes what happens, some people they have lots of skill and ability, but they are unable to show that. But through their
It means
appearance.
Only
But
a cream can get force to express their
It is
views.
not just cream. It is a panacea.
yes,
What's the mean of panacea? What is the mean of panacea? That's I want to know panacea. What's the panacea?
okay. Yes, you can easily buy our product from Amazon, Flipkart, or from our Nykaa store also, and we will offer you some discount. Like if it is for 419, then you can get it from 319. That's all, and thank you.
Thank you so much.
Welcome to Touch and Go.
She is Surbhi.
She is Roshni. We are co-founder of Touch and Go company.
If you will apply this lipstick on your lips, you will have a more beautiful lips.
And guess what? You will feel more confident. Now, I would like to introduce my product to you all. Our lipstick is waterproof, smudge-proof,
And transfer proof.
yes.
It contains coconut oil and bee wax.
Our product, which is made from natural product, just like as she said. And for pigmentation, for natural pigment, we are using beetroot
Beetroot
for
and
red and pink,
And turmeric for
yellow and orange. So now I would like to give you a practical which, see, I'll tell you everything, whatever about my product, but how you all believe. We will give you a practical which you can be able to understand how our product work. Could you please give me a chair? First of all, I said the lipstick is waterproof. She will drink a water, but the lipstick will be still there. See, as you can see, guys, the lipstick is still there. And no, sir, it's waterproof.
transfer proof.
You come and do like this. Go check.
No, our lipstick is transfer proof and smudge proof now.
I would like to check.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, you can check.
No, I would like to check from your lips.
I applied this lipstick since morning
And
It is
the
still on
lipstick
my
is still
lip.
there.
But you said it is long lasting.
Yes. So,
I applied last since morning.
so that's
It's
what
still
we
on
are
my
saying.
lip. Okay.
Right now, and let us see.
She can apply on my lips. You can see the instant. As I can say, our product is touch and glow. You can touch our product and you get immediate glow. Blah 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 blah.
Sir, it is helpful for your student who are preparing for cabin crew.
You use your full strength and remove all the lipstick.
You don't know how to apply only things.
I know how
Look
to
how she
apply.
had applied. She's applied.
You have made her bandariya.
Why am I saying?
Sir, because
Like this, I see.
Look at her.
Sir, because
How the thing.
You had applied lately or not?
Sir, see how the lips have become really it's all dry. Lips is already dry.
no.
No.
Let me come.
It takes time to dry.
It is already dry.
Please cooperate, guys. You can see, guys, how beautiful I'm looking now. How confident I'm looking. Even you can see me, you feel good. And when I see you, I feel confident.
But that is not suitable on your skin because that is staining your skin.
You are comfortable.
And one thing, guys, our product is dermatologically tested. So you will not get dark pinks or any rashes or any problems in future.
Ma'am, as you said,
And-
in my product there is coconut oil and turmeric. And why should I buy your product? I can apply turmeric, coconut oil.
But it won't stay long lasting. It won't stay long lasting. If you apply, if you wash your face, you get.
Ma'am, it is a synthetic color.
Huh? We have a lot of color. Just like I said, we use beetroot for red and pink, yellow for orange. Yeah, of course.
How many shades you can product you provide? How many shades you provide for?
We have 12 shades.
How many?
12 shades.
Can you name them all?
Sorry?
Can you name them all your shades that you are?
Okay.
Ma'am, everything is available on our page. You can I can give you can check out there. You can check out here. A lot of shades are
Last
available.
thing, ma'am, could you please apply this same lipstick on the founder?
If he wants, so I will apply.
Oh, no, sir, we have different ones.
We have another
different.
one. We have another
We have newly one. Yeah, newly one we have.
No, it's a cheating product.
Yeah, niche.
And one thing, guys, people are giving you direct product, but our company give you demo product, which is available in small pack, which is only cost for 20 rupees, and the lipstick price is 200. But if you want to try, if you want to trust on us, so you can only spend 20 rupees on us, and you can trust on us. And next thing is, it is available on online and www.touchandglow.com. You can go and search on there. And
Sometimes very fake product is being sold in place on your lips.
no.
As
I can purchase from our own website.
Can you please show me that this is really original? How will I get this is original? Many fake are there on everywhere like online also.
you can see, whenever you purchase our product, you will smell it. It has a good fragrance and all. As I can say, it has used beetroot, turmeric, which other companies, you rarely get a company who use natural product, natural, fragrance. So you can go with this, you can. Exactly. I say just as 200 rupees, and if you want to go for demo, 20 rupees only.
199.
199.
only for 199.
Exactly. And there is one offer right now I can give, just like we are demonstrating here, so we are giving you offer, buy 2 get 1 free, and this offer is available for today only.
Okay.
Can I just get it in Buddha Bazaar?
No, sir, it is only available on our website. You can, and you do not want to go anywhere and go and in a crowd and facing the summer. Nowadays summer it's very hot, and you don't have to just go. You have to use your mobile phone and just order it.
It's not for you, by the way. Oh, very nice, very nice.